Cooking with olive oil offers a lifetime of culinary pleasure and endless opportunities for creativity. When using the best, most aromatic extra virgin olive oils, such as those with intense green fruitiness or medium green fruitiness, it is best to cook at lower temperatures to preserve the flavor and aromatics. This is not about smoke point or safety, just flavor preservation. The higher the heat and the more complex the preparation, the less important it is to use the most aromatic and typically more expensive oils. Olive oil is ideal for frying. In proper temperature conditions, it undergoes no substantial structural change and keeps its nutritional value better than other oils. Not only because of the antioxidants, but also due to its high levels of oleic acid. Its smoke point, 410 degrees Fahrenheit, is substantially higher than the ideal temperature for frying food. Americans have most embraced olive oil for salads and cold preparations. Vegetables braised or stewed in olive oil with onions, garlic, tomatoes, herbs, sometimes beans, and then finished with olive oil makes a truly seductive dish. Pulses, or legumes, are central to Mediterranean cooking, and olive oil is used as a flavoring at the start of the cooking process, at the end, and to finish more complex preparations.